Hi, I'm Seth with Wired Customs, and today we're going to be building this PC behind me. Now, we didn't build this PC out of parts just to sell it. I was contacted by a customer who had previously purchased a PC through a big name brand company. The PC did not work properly. The customer uses the PC in a somewhat dusty environment, and it was the Thermaltake P1 case, which is not ideal for anything other than a really clean environment. So his components were dusty. I believe his motherboard shorted out because only one USB port worked, and his motherboard didn't boot right. So I took those old parts, the ones that I thought were worth keeping, I disassembled them, cleaned thoroughly, and I gave him a list of new parts to order. When those parts arrived, I reassembled those into this new machine behind me. Now everything is working just as it should have been in the first place. Now I'm sure you guys don't want to just sit at your computer and listen to me talk all day, so without further delay, here is the build video.
And we nail them all. I know you're the worrying kind. Is there any way, or do you like not being found? In time the light will fade. Don't you know I worry about you all the time?
This is what we at Wired Customs do for customers. We are a problem solver, I guess, if you will. We don't just build computers and sell them. If you come to us with tailored requests, we can meet your needs for video production, for gaming, for daily web browsing, whatever you need. We are here for all of your PC solutions.